So I'm going to start my eyes with priming them. I'm going to use a concealer Revolution from Revolution. And this color, the shade is a C5. And this comes with a doe foot applicator. So we're just going to apply it straight to the lids. And then I'm going to take a Morphe E20 brush and go ahead and buff it out all over the lid. That way we can get, if you have like any redness or excuse me, or you can see like any of your veins or anything like that on your lids, you can go ahead and conceal it and start with a fresh slate. So I already have like a look in mind that I want to do. So I'm going to go ahead and take my Soft Glam palette from ABH. And I'm going to take a Morphe E17 brush. And I'm going to go into the shade called Burnt Orange. And just pack that on your brush. Tap off the excess. And then we're going to apply that to the crease. And I'm just going to tap this on. And then start blending out. Okay, so since I have that color all dispersed in my crease, as you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and take a Morphe M514 brush. And then I'm going to go in with the darker shade. I'm going to go in with the same palette called Rustic. And we're going to pick up a good amount and just tap off the excess. And then we're going to put this on the outer lid right here and just tap that on. So I hope everyone's New Year's was amazing. I had a really good New Year's. Let me know what you guys, like what your goals are, and kind of as well what you want to see from me this year. My goal is to be more consistent and kind of just do what I love to do and play with makeup and kind of come up with different looks and everything. I just always love coming up with something in my head and then just trying to bring it to life and everything, so that's always fun for me. So also let me know like what products you want me to try that maybe you've been wanting to try but you know haven't been wanting to like spend your coin or something, you know, like I'll go ahead and spend my coin. That way I can let you guys know if the product's good, if it's worth your money and everything. So I'm super excited for 2019. I also kind of wanted to try to start doing vlogs as well, so just let me know in the comment section down below. So I'm taking that Rustic shade and I'm putting it on the inner portion of the eye, and I'm just tapping that, just pressing that pigment on the eyelid. So it's starting to look like this, turning into a halo eye. And then whatever you have left over, start connecting that from that inner to the outer portion of the crease. I also like to do my eyes first when I'm doing a bolder look and darker colors. Sometimes I can be a little bit messy, so I just rather do my eyes first. That way if I get any fallout I can just clean it right off and then just kind of start with a clean base on my skin. That way I don't have to kind of mess around. But if you do like doing your foundation first, you can always put some powder down, lay that on your skin. That way any fallout, the powder will catch it and you can just wipe it right away. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with that first brush that I was using. I'm gonna go back in with Burnt Orange, and we're just gonna blend that Rustic shade with the burnt orange to kind of bring back this one color. Okay, now going in with the Morphe E36 brush, I'm gonna go in with the same palette again, but I'm gonna go in with a Cypress Umber, and we're just gonna apply that to the outer and just kind of stamp that on to this outer portion. And the key to like blending everything out is you want to have a light hand, so you can always hold the brush either towards the end, somewhere in the middle. If you're holding it really super close, you're gonna be more harsh with the product, and you want your blending to be like seamless and everything. So just having a light hand, kind of just dusting it pretty much, windshield wiper motions or circular motions to kind of blend it out. And then trust me, you'll have like a seamless look when you just use a light hand. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start kind of creasing out or concealing the halo portion, pretty much the middle of my eye. And I'm just gonna apply some of that concealer I used on the back of my hand. And then I'm gonna take this is a Crown brush, C323. It's a pointed lip brush, but it's pretty much a flat brush, and so you can use that as well. And I'm just gonna take some of this, and then I'm just gonna swipe it down. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the shade Bronze, and I'm gonna apply this with my finger. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with my Morphe M514 brush and go in with Rustic, and then mix it with Cypress Umber. And we're gonna blend, which I'm gonna tap over the line. That way there's not a harsh line. I'll take a different brush, going in with the E36 brush, still mixing those two shades together. And then I'm going to brush at the top. Okay, so I'm taking Midnight Cowboy from Urban Decay, and I'm going to place these glitter in certain areas of the eye. So they're going to be a little spaced out. It's just like certain reflex of the eye. Especially when it hits a camera, like when you're taking pictures and everything, it's gonna look so pretty. And we're just gonna let that dry on the lid. Okay, now that we got the top portion of our lids done, I'm gonna go off camera and do the face and put some lashes on and do some brows, and then I'll be right back. That way we can do the Laura lash line. Be right back. All right, so I already did my face and everything off camera, lips, lashes, and everything. So let's go ahead and start on the lower lash line. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this brush that I was already using, the M514 brush. I'm gonna go in with burnt orange and rustic, and I'm gonna mix those two together. And we're just gonna run this under. And then you want to connect it to this outer portion right here on the upper lid. Okay, so now that I did the lower lash line, you can leave your bottom waterline blank, or you can put like a nude liner in there. I'm actually gonna go in with a brown liner. This is like a dark brown. It's from Essence. It's called the Long Lasting Eye Pencil. So I'm gonna go ahead and just run that below my Okay, for an inner corner pop, I'm going to use the ABH and Omrezi highlighter, which is now back in stock, which is amazing. So I would suggest getting it because it looks amazing on the skin. I just love it so much. It's really good. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the inner corner right here. Okay, and then I'm going to use some mascara, the NARS Climax mascara. This is my favorite mascara. And then I'm just going to go ahead and bind the top lash, my natural lashes with the falsies. And then do the bottom lashes. And this is the finished look. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. More videos to come. Be sure to subscribe, like this video, and go ahead and leave me a comment down below in the comment section. I would love to read what you guys want to see me create, or let's just chat in the comment section down below. I'm super excited for this year. I can't wait to hear about your goals and what you have for 2019. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye guys!